First, you send a query out, data packets moving about. From client to the database, a request flows through the gateway. But what if someone slips code
Data
in where
transmission
normal input should begin? That's SQL injection, breaking in, manipulating queries to win. The
Warning,
database
data
thinks its
tampering
command
detected.
real. The union
Redirecting
attack,
traffic.
selecting more, pulling data from tables you've never seen before. Error-based injection. The database talks back, revealing structure through the error stack. Blind injection. No visible reply, timing reveals the truth lying inside. Fangyu in depth. Layers of
Intrusion detected. Redirecting traffic to the secondary node.
data flows through the system, queries traveling safely. The firewall detects the threat, blocking malicious code. The attack is neutralized, system restored. Normal operations resume. Security protocols remain vigilant against future threats.